Okay, so good day everyone. So before we start to our lesson, kindly please stand up and Floras lead the prayer. Okay, so good day everyone. How are you all today? I'm glad that you are doing good. Okay, so before you take your seat, kindly please pick up some papers under your chair and arrange your chair. Is there anyone absent today? None? Okay, I'm glad that you're all present. So before we start to our discussion, I have some classroom rules that we need to follow in order for us to have a peace in our discussion. So here are the rules that we need to follow in our class discussion. First, raise your right hand if you want to answer, and if you want to excuse yourself, just raise your right hand. And second, don't talk to your classmate if I am the teacher talking here in front. You got it? Good. Okay, so are the rules clear, class? Okay, very good. So what is our topic last meeting? It is all about tessellation. Very good. Okay, so before we proceed to our discussion, I have here a story that I want you all to listen attentively. Okay? Okay, so it is a story about Liam learns about time. Okay, so one morning, Liam stayed in bed too long. Liam, you'll be late for school, his mom called. He jumped up and rushed to get ready, but when he reached school, the bell had already rung. During break time, Liam played too long and wasn't ready for class. Later, he didn't finish his homework because he watched cartoons first. That night, Liam told his mom, "I wish I had more time." His mom smiled and said, "We all have the same time, Liam. You just need to use it wisely." The next day, Liam set a timer for each task. 10 minutes for breakfast, 15 for reading, and finished everything early and even helped his mom pack lunch. Liam grinned. "Now I know how to manage my time." His mom replied, "Good job. Time is your friend when you use it well." Okay, class, did you understand the story? Very good. Thank you because you're all listening attentively. Okay, so I have a question, class. If you all listen attentively to the story, you can answer these questions. Okay, so why do you think Liam was late in school? It is because he wake up very late. Very good. So what advice did his mom give to Liam? Very good. Use your time wisely. Okay, so what can you do to use your time wisely like Liam? Very good. Follow your schedules. What else? Very good. Do your task or do your chores before anything else. Before playing. Okay, so all your answers are correct. Give yourself a warm clap. Okay, so the reason why I tell you the story about Liam learns about time because it has something to do with our lesson for today. So what do you think is our lesson today? Very good. It's all about time. Okay, so today we will have a group activity. I will group you all into two groups, and this will be the group 1 and this will be the group 2. Okay, and doing the activity, what are the rules that we need to follow? Very good. Participation. Yes, share some ideas and also choose your leader and e-reporter. Okay, class, I will give you 10 minutes to do your work and please work silently. Okay, class, do you know what time is it now? Yes, it is already 1 in the afternoon. So, how can you tell the time? Because we use a clock. Okay, so we use the clock to tell what time is it. Okay, so today we will discuss about the time measurement. Okay, so what is time measurement? Okay, so what is time measurement? Time measurement, it is knowing how long something takes or when something happens. So for example, we wake up at 6 in the morning, we eat lunch at 12 noon, we go home at 4 in the afternoon, and we sleep at 9 in the evening. Okay, so that is the time measurement. Okay, so why do you think it is important to know the time, the importance of time? Very good. So what we won't be late, and also we can do our task. It is important to know how to use our time so that we can use our time wisely in order to do our task. Okay, so do you have any idea what are the tools that we use to measure time? Very good. There are clock. Okay, so these are the tools that we use to measure time. First, we have clock, a device for measuring time, indicating hours, minutes, sometimes seconds. So clock. So the long hand of the clock shows the hours, and the small hand of the clock shows the minutes. Very good. What are the other tools that we use to measure time? A watch. Very good. So this is the example of watch. You can use it is very similar to the clock, but the watch is a very hand carry. You can carry it around, and you can put this around your wrist. Okay, so what else or what tools we can use to measure time? Very good. We can use the digital clock and the mobile clock. Okay, so how do we know the date or the day of the week? Very good. By looking at the calendar. Okay, so what is a calendar? Okay, so a calendar, it is help us to measure days, weeks, and months, and help us remember important events like birthdays, holidays, and school days. Okay, so this is the example of the calendar. So in the calendar, you can see the month, the days, and the weeks. Okay, so this is the units of time. Okay, so seconds, it is a very short time, like blinking your eyes, and then the minutes a little longer. For example, watching some movies. Okay, so we have the days, 24 hours, weeks, 7 days, and the months, like 30 days, and also in years, 12 months. Okay, so now that I've already discussed about the units of time, can you give me some examples about things or the work that we do that takes few seconds? Very good. Blinking, clapping, and also jumping. What about any minutes? Yes, brushing your teeth, eating, and taking a bath. What about the takes few hours? Very good. Sleeping and being in the school, and also traveling. Excellent. Okay, so why do you think time measurement is important in our lives? Yes, because time measurement can help us to do the things that we need to do in time. Because if we don't have time measurement, we might miss school, we might miss our meals. So that's why we need to use our time wisely and smartly. Very good. Okay, class, so what will you do to use your time wisely? Very good. Finish all your tasks and don't waste your time, because time measurement, it can help us to know when things happen and how long they will take. And we use the tools like clock, watch, digital clock, and mobile clock. And also to measure the months, days, and weeks, we use a calendar. And we have the different kind of units of time. We have seconds, minutes, days, weeks, months, and years. Very good. Okay, so now I know that you all understand what is time measurement. So right now I have here a activity. Okay, so all you need to do is, can you please the direction? Read the 5 situation and answer if the person is on time or he is or she is late. Okay, so number 1. Anna wakes up early and eats breakfast before going to school. It is on time or late? Very good. She is on time. Anna is on time. Okay, number 2. Ben arrives at school after the flag ceremony started. So, he is on time or late? Very good. He is late because you must go in school before the flag ceremony started. Okay, so number 3. Carla finishes her homework right after dinner. Is she on time or late? Very good. She is on time. Okay, what about number 4? Daniel forgets to pack his bag the night before and rushes in the morning. Is Daniel on time or late? Very good. He is late because you must pack your bag before the night, and so you will not gonna rush in the morning and you can eat your breakfast. Number 5. Ella goes to bed at 8 every night as her parents told her. Is Ella on time or late? Very good. Ella is on time. Okay, so you all can understand our lesson right now. Okay, so you all already know what is time measurement. So can you please give yourself a round of applause, please? Okay, so before we end our class, can you all please get your lecture notebook and copy your assignment? Okay, so assignment. Direction. Write or draw 3 activities that you do in a day. Decide each activity. What the time will you usually do it? Write the time correctly. Okay, so write your assignment in your lecture notebook and pass it tomorrow. Okay, so once again everyone, I am Remily Balolo, your teacher for today.